guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this at-home teeth whitening system that I have been doing at home, and it's pretty much professionally done, and it's a lot more affordable than going to a dentist office. So like usually when I would go to a dentist office, you know, for my 6-month check-ins, the teeth whitening and all of that, they would always tell me, oh, you know, just so you know, we have some teeth whitening services, because they're always trying to sell their service, obviously, to make more money. I think I asked one time like how much it was, and it was very expensive. I don't remember the exact price. I just remember I was like, I guess I'm never getting my teeth whitened. Yeah, it's just, I noticed how important it is to get your teeth whitened when I got my teeth whitened. So I did whiten them at home professionally, so much more affordable, like I mentioned. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about it. So this is called Smile Brilliant. Let me show you guys. So this is the box that came in the mail. I want to show you guys right here because it has my address and stuff. But this is the box, and it says Smile Brilliant on it. It's the name of company. So you actually do get custom fitted trays. Let me go get mine real quick. I also did want to mention that I do have an agreement with this company that they would send me this product and I would speak about it if I truly believed in it, which is the reason why I'm making this video, because I do believe in this product. I am using it as definitely one of my regimens, and I'm going to continue using it. So that's pretty much what I want to let you guys know, that I did get this product as a gift, and I would not be talking about it if I did not believe in it. This is what the trays look like. So in here I have my custom fit trays. So obviously, you know, custom fit, so meaning it will only fit for me. So these are it right here. I have my bottom teeth trays. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, and then these are the top ones. So like I mentioned, custom fit, they're for me only. It goes here, and I really love this case because it's nice and sturdy, and I can, you know, travel with it. If I'm gonna go sleep over at a friend's house, I can easily just take this with me, and I know my custom fit trays are gonna be protected the whole entire time, so that's a big plus for me. So another thing I wanted to mention is this is like the same process that it's done at the dentist. So it does come with the molds, and you can do those at home, and they'll send you like a, what's it called, like an envelope with a little sticker mailing, so you can mail it back to them. Sorry, I don't know the proper terms for it, but pretty much you can mail them your teeth molds. I think that's what they're called, right? So you can send that to them, and then they will make you your custom fit trays in the lab, and they will mail it back to you. And if for some reason the molds that you did at home weren't good enough, you know, they will let you know like, hey, can you please redo it at home? They'll send you like a few, so if you do make a mistake, you can make another one. No big issue. And like I mentioned, it's all super affordable. So it's like the same process that the dentist does it. And I know a lot of people will say like, oh, I don't have time. Some people don't have time to go to the dentist, especially like for me, for example, I'm a student and I'm working. It's hard for me to, as it is already, to be making appointments for the dentist. So it's kind of the same thing when you whiten your teeth, or also people will be like, oh, I don't have time to whiten my teeth at home. Well, that's okay. Like, you could easily make some time to whiten your teeth at home. What I like to do is while I'm whitening my teeth, so let me show you guys first. So in your box, you will actually, oh, here it is. So you will get, oh, there you go. Sorry, not molds. They're called impressions. I completely forgot. So really quickly, you do get instructions on how to do your molds, and these instructions are all very helpful. And then you do get desensitizing gels and teeth whitening gels. So these gels, you're going to put them on your impressions, and that's how you whiten your teeth. And then after you whiten your teeth, you will put on some desensitizing gel. So while I'm whitening my teeth, let's see. So let me see, I want to make sure I give you guys the right info. So while you're whitening your teeth, you could do it for a minimum of 45 minutes or a maximum of 3 hours. So while you are whitening your teeth, like for me, like I love going to the gym. You could easily whiten your teeth and work out. And then there you go, you're killing a few time right there. If you're studying, you could take a shower, you could read a book. I personally like to go to the gym, or I'll read a book, or I'll shower. I'll do all of those things. Or I'll be doing some chores around the house, getting some homework and studying done. You don't just have to just sit there and whiten your teeth, kind of like how it is at the dentist. You can multitask at home. Yeah, that's what I liked about it, because then if you're at a dentist, you're just sitting there for like 3 hours or however many hours it takes for them to do it. At the dentist, you're just sitting there and then you're like, I still have to go home, do my homework, I still have to go to the gym, do some chores. Well, no, you can whiten your teeth at home and get all of that stuff done. So that's a big win-win for me. So that's something that I personally like, is the time management is definitely a big issue, and I feel like that's a big issue for all of us. And then what I like about it also, let me see, the teeth. So this teeth whitening gel actually comes with 22% carbamide peroxide formula. So I do have some notes here. I want to make sure I'm telling you guys the right info. And it says a dental grade gel. Some people might get sensitivity, but it's okay. Like over 60% of Americans get sensitivity, and they do provide a desensitizing gel to, help. So it is intended as a post-whitening treatment, but for those with greater sensitivity, this is definitely going to help. I do have sensitive teeth, and I noticed that when I use this, my teeth were fine. Even right now, it's fine. Like I could drink like cold water and my teeth will be fine. It does help restore minerals to the teeth that are lost during the whitening process, which for me is pretty important. And like I mentioned, I love this one mainly because of the time issue. This is great for busy moms on the go. If you're going to drop off your kid, you can whiten your teeth in the morning while you if you're going to go shopping for groceries, drop off your kids at school. I just think it's a great, great thing to do while you're putting your baby to sleep. Anything, basically. You can also, like I mentioned, if you're working out. And then for coffee lovers, it's going to help remove those annoying coffee stains. I personally do not drink coffee, but my sister does drink coffee, and she always says how she hates coffee stains, and it's just one of her biggest issues is the coffee stains. So it can help remove that. Also, for tobacco people, it's going to help remove tobacco stains. I personally do not take up sorry, I can't speak. I personally do not do tobacco or anything like that. And then, like beauty gurus, they love this. It's definitely one of our favorite cosmetic products. For me personally, I do love teeth whitening. I feel like it brings a lot more confidence, and then you just feel like you want to smile all the time to show off your teeth, basically. I mean, why not? It's great for people that are looking for professional teeth whitening, but who do not want to pay hundreds at the dentist. Like I said, I got quoted a lot, and I feel like this is a lot more convenient. So you can definitely just whiten your teeth and relax. I like to go to the gym, like I mentioned. That's just what I do. But yeah, I just want to talk to you guys about this because I have been getting a lot of people asking me about my teeth whitening, and they'll ask me like, oh, which dentist do you go to? Like, I didn't get it done at a dentist. And they're like, what, did you do it at home? Yeah, it's really affordable, and it's so much more convenient in my personal opinion. I know a lot of us are super busy, and we don't have the hundreds of dollars to spend at the dentist, or the time. The time is also a very big issue. So you can easily avoid all of that with the Smile Brilliant kit. So you guys should definitely check it out. It did make a huge difference for me, and I'm just gonna definitely keep on using it. So that's pretty much it for this video. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.